How to hide Instagram chat without deleting them. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram, click on your profile at the bottom right, then click on three lines at the top right. After you click on it, scroll down. You need to turn on professional mode before hiding your chat. So simply click on account type in tools, and then click on switch to professional account. After you click on switch to professional account, press on next at the bottom. Select what best describes you. Then your account will be switched to professional. Go to DMs, you'll find options at the top. Simply hold on to the chat you want to hide. And then click on move to general, which is the second option. After you click on move to general, you won't see that chat in your main. As you can see, the chat has been removed. And if you want to unhide it, what you can do is go to general, which is beside primary and channel. In there you'll find the chat. Hold on to the chat, click on move to primary, which is the second option again. After that, it will be in your primary. As you can see, this is how you do it. This is how to hide Instagram chats without deleting them. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.